हेलो जी, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम बैक टू फादहान। उम्मीद है कि आप सब ठीक होंगे। सलाम नेपाल, क्या हाल चाल है। तो भैया आज हम रिएक्शन देने वाले कंट्री कंपैरिजन की वीडियोस में, जिसमें से 4 से 5 कंट्री एशियंस कंट्रीज है, जिसमें से पाकिस्तान, नेपाल, श्रीलंका, इंडिया और बांग्लादेश। इसकी कंट्री कंपैरिजन के ऊपर हम रिएक्शन देने वाले कि कैसे कंट्री कंपैरिजन है। काफी ज्यादा यूट्यूबर ने भी रिएक्शन दिया है, हम भी रिएक्शन देते हैं कि क्या रिस्पॉन्स आता है इसका। वीडियो का नाम है कंट्री कंपैरिजन, इंडिया वर्सेस पाकिस्तान वर्सेस बांग्लादेश वर्सेस श्रीलंका एंड वर्सेस नेपाल। क्या है इसका कंपैरिजन बनेगा। स्टार्ट करते वीडियो को और ओरिजिनल वीडियो का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में चेक इट आउट करें। साथ में मेरा ब्लॉग चैनल है, मेरी वेबसाइट है, दोनों विजिट कर सकते हैं आप और देख सकते हैं।
Asians. In this video we selected the most populated and alike countries by race, culture, tradition and some of them even by religion. As our previous video of country comparison, throughout this video we will compare 6 countries by 19 indicators such as salary, corruption, democracy and so on. For this we chose one of the most populated countries of Asia. We got Bangladesh, India, Nepal, Pakistan, Myanmar and Sri Lanka. The ratings will appear one after another. Here will be shown points that countries will get through each rating. And here are the places that countries occupy in the world. After each rating, a red table will be shown where points are accumulated that countries will gain from each rating. Simple rules. More points, worse standard of living in the country. Lesser points, better. Who will be in the first and which country will win? You will find the answer by the end of this video. Write in the comments where are you from and who do you support in this video, and we begin the comparison. The first indicator is an index showing human development in the country. The first place is taken by Sri Lanka and surprisingly it is 71st in the world. The middle place goes to India and Bangladesh. The rest are behind. What places our countries occupy in terms of income per inhabitant? To do this, we look at gross domestic product per capita. The first place goes again to Sri Lanka. Next, we have India, followed by Myanmar and Pakistan. Nepal remains last. The Legatum Prosperity Index of countries. It considers several indicators such as management, health, social capital, educational level and others. According to its results, Sri Lanka is the most prosperous country, then is India and followed by Nepal. Myanmar and Bangladesh shares the middle place and last is Pakistan. Next, the rating of countries by the quality of roads. According to the rating, India and Pakistan are occupying pretty good places in the world. Sri Lanka is 9 places below Pakistan. The last place is held by Nepal and Myanmar. How safe are these countries? We consider indicators such as war and peace in the country, the number of homicides in 1 year, and the risk of natural disasters. The safest country is Nepal, ranking 78 in the world. The next 5 are considered as unsafe countries due to the global ratings. The sixth indicator is the Democracy Index. The most democratic countries are India, Sri Lanka and Bangladesh. Then we have Nepal, 92nd in the world. Myanmar and Pakistan are 154th and 156th. We move on to the level of perception of corruption, how widespread corruption perception index is in the public sector and whether citizens can solve their problems without a bribe. The first place is occupied by India, then Sri Lanka and Nepal. Last is Bangladesh. Let's look into the education index. It takes into account all the achievements of the country like the quality and number of schools per inhabitant. The first country in our top is Sri Lanka, 59th in the world and way ahead from its neighbors. Then in the middle, India, Bangladesh and Nepal. The less educated is among Pakistan. We have dealt with education, now we compare effectiveness of the healthcare system. The rating considers life expectancy, government spending on healthcare, and the cost of medical services. The first place with an honor goes to Sri Lanka, 49th in the world. Next, Myanmar, and 2 places below India. Pakistan is behind. Now we move to the main ratings, which is a monthly salary. This list shows the average monthly wage in US dollars. The highest salaries are received in our top in Sri Lanka, $278. Then in India, $210. The last place is in Bangladesh, $92. Where does the happiest inhabitants of the planet live? According to a study conducted by World Happiness Report, the happiest citizens live in Pakistan, 66th place in the world. Next is in Nepal, 92nd in the world. Unhappiest among our top lives in India, 154th in the world. Let's look at the rating of countries by cost of living. This rating shows the cost of food, housing rental and other expenses. Pakistan and India are among the cheapest country to live. Prices are 4 times lower than in European countries. It is also cheap to live in Nepal, Sri Lanka and Bangladesh. Myanmar 2 times expensive than Pakistan. Now let's see how free are these countries. Studies show how much the country's government does not interfere with the work of journalists and does not oppress the information rights of its citizens. Freest media is among Nepalis, ranking 112th in the world, and last is in Pakistan and Bangladesh. Wanted to start a business? Then let's see where it's better to start it. The best in our top country for business is India, 63rd place in the world. Then is in Nepal. Most of the problems with starting a business will be in Myanmar and Bangladesh. Where is the best life for children? Which countries more effectively protect the life and rights of children? The rating takes into account a number of indicators such as child mortality, percentage of undernourished children, child labor, and alike. Sri Lanka has the highest score and 56th place in the world. Myanmar and India in the middle. The rest are behind. Privilege of travel, or let's take a look into a passport index, which shows the number of countries for citizens to travel to certain countries. The most influential passport is Passport of India, 70 open countries to visit. Second place is shared between Sri Lanka and Myanmar. Last place is held by Pakistan. Next is Gender Equality Index for countries. It shows which country is most oppressed by female rights. India and Sri Lanka got the highest score. Behind them are Myanmar and Nepal. The last places are occupied by Bangladesh and Pakistan, because it's not a secret that women in these countries does not have the same rights on a par with men. Let's check the price of 1 liter of gasoline. As per Global Petrol Prices Agency, which updates its data every week, the last update shows the cheapest petrol is in Myanmar at $1.44, followed by Pakistan 47 cents difference, and last place is in Bangladesh, almost $4. 19th and the last indicator is the speed and cost of the internet. We combined 2 indicators and gave the lowest score to those countries where the internet is fast and cheap. The cheapest number 1 internet in the world is in India, 26 cents and 8.66 megabytes per second. Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Bangladesh also deserves to be on a par with India, as their internet is also less than $1. Since we are done with the comparison, let's look at the overall results of our 6 countries. The best country in our top with an honor goes to Sri Lanka, ranking first in our top. Then we have India, Nepal, Myanmar, Pakistan, and last in our list is Bangladesh. I hope you do like this kind of comparison. Let me know in the comments which countries should we do in the next comparison and where are you from. That was all for today, friends. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell on to not miss our next interesting video. Yeah, goodbye.
तो बहुत सारी चीज़ों में पाकिस्तान जो है ना सबसे पीछे था, बट 2 चीज़ों में सबसे, एक पेट्रोल में सबसे आगे है और दूसरे नंबर पे है वो हैप्पीएस्ट कंट्रीज में से एक नंबर पे है। इस टाइम पे हम नेपाल की बात करें तो नेपाल में बहुत ज़बरदस्त कंट्री इस टाइम पे बताई जा रही थी। सबसे मतलब बीच में जो जिस चीज़ को माना जाता है सबसे बीच में वो हैप्पीएस्ट कंट्री भी थी। उसमें पेट्रोल की रेट पे कम थी, उसमें सैलरी क्या कोई भी इशू नहीं है। मतलब नेपाल की ऐसा है कि भाई यार ना तो कोई गम में जी रहा है ना तो कोई जो है ना बिल्कुल खुशी में, बट नॉर्मल जी रहा है, खुश हो रहे हैं, खुशी में रहे। इंडिया इंटरनेट की बात करें तो इंटरनेट में सबसे पीछे था पाकिस्तान। इसकी बात हम मानते हैं कि भाई यहाँ पे कभी कभी हम यूट्यूब का पेज ही नहीं खोल पाता, हमारे पास इतना स्लो स्पीड है। और ये तो महंगा इतना है कि यार क्या बताए, 1000 रुपये महीने का कार्ड चले जाते हैं, बट इंटरनेट की स्पीड क्या है 300 kbps 500 kbps से भी ज़्यादा नहीं आता। इसके अलावा अगर बात करें नेपाल की हैप्पीएस्ट कंट्रियों में से तो नेपाल दूसरे नंबर पे थी। नंबर 2 पर नेपाल होने की वजह से कि कितने हैप्पीएस्ट कंट्रीज मतलब कितने अच्छे हैप्पी है लोग। नंबर 1 पे पाकिस्तान है कि अपनी कंट्री में जैसे भी है खुश है, कोई कुछ भी करे लोग खुश है भाई, किसी को कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, वो खुश है। हम लोग ये हम बात मानते हैं कि यार कुछ भी करें हम खुश है अपने कंट्री में, ये नहीं है। अनहैप्पीएस्ट कंट्री में से नंबर 1 पर सबसे नंबर 1 पे इंडिया है, नंबर 1 पे अनहैप्पीएस्ट, मतलब हैप्पी नहीं है कोई, मतलब खुशी नहीं है वहाँ पे कि रह रहे यार। पाकिस्तान में देख लो सबसे हैप्पीएस्ट कंट्रीज में एशिया में सबसे नंबर 1 पे। पेट्रोल की रेट यहाँ पे कम है, हैप्पीएस्ट कंट्री में नेपाल, मतलब बहुत ज़बरदस्त है कंपैरिजन, कंट्री कंपैरिजन। अगर आपको अच्छी लगी वीडियो तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें और इसी तरह कंट्री कंपैरिजन के लिए चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें। डिस्क्रिप्शन में मेरा सेकंड चैनल है जिसको व्लॉग चैनल भी कह सकते हो और साथ में मेरा वेबसाइट भी है, तो दोनों चेक आउट कर सकते हो। अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें, चैनल सब्सक्राइब करते हैं। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।